Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, Family Home Kitchen. Have you ever tried making Nutella and fruit crepes at home? Imagine waking up to the smell of freshly cooked crepes, smeared with luscious Nutella and topped with your favorite fruits. A delightful way to start your day or a sweet treat to end your meals. Nutella and fruit crepes bring together the richness of chocolate hazelnut spread and the freshness of fruits. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a newbie in the kitchen, this recipe is simple, fun, and oh so rewarding. Stay tuned to learn how to make Nutella and fruit crepes at home. First, gather all the ingredients you need. Begin with the basics: 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. These dry ingredients will form the backbone of our crepe batter. Next, we'll need some liquid to bring everything together. 1 cup of milk will do the trick. And to give our crepes a rich, tender crumb, we'll add 2 eggs and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Now for the star of the show, Nutella. This chocolate hazelnut spread will lend a sweet, nutty flavor to our crepes. The quantity? As much as your heart desires. Finally, we'll need some fruit for garnishing. Think fresh strawberries, bananas, or berries. The choice is yours. These will add a refreshing, tangy contrast to our sweet, rich crepes. Now that we have all the ingredients, let's move on to the preparation. Opening, the preparation of Nutella and fruit crepes is simple and straightforward. Begin by combining your dry ingredients. In a large bowl, mix together 1 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This blend will serve as the base for your crepe batter. Next, gradually add in 1 cup of milk, whisking well to ensure a smooth, lump-free mixture. This step is crucial in achieving the perfect crepe consistency. The batter should be thin and pourable, but not too watery. Once you have a homogeneous mixture, it's time to add in the eggs. Crack in 2 eggs and whisk well until the mixture is well combined. Eggs add structure to your crepes, ensuring they hold together when cooked. Now for a touch of richness, stir in 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Continue to whisk the batter until it is smooth and uniform. The butter not only enhances the flavor, but also ensures your crepes don't stick to the pan. With your batter ready, heat a flat pan over medium heat and lightly grease it with a bit of butter or oil. Pour a suitable amount of the batter into the pan, distributing it evenly across the bottom. Cook the crepe on both sides until golden and slightly elastic. Each side should take about a minute or 2. Now comes the fun part. Transfer the cooked crepe onto a serving plate. Spread a generous amount of Nutella in the center, and then fill it with sliced fruits, such as strawberries, bananas, or berries. The combination of chocolate and fruit is undeniably delightful. Fold your crepe into a rectangle or triangle, depending on your preference. Repeat the process with the remaining batter and fillings until all the ingredients are used up. Ending, once you have filled your crepes, they are ready to be served. Nutella and fruit crepes can be served in many different ways. The classic approach is to add a generous dollop of Nutella in the center of the crepe, top it with an assortment of cut fruits, and fold it into a rectangle or triangle as per your preference. If you're feeling a bit more indulgent, drizzle on some more Nutella and scatter a handful of fresh fruits on top. For a touch of elegance, you could also sprinkle a light dusting of powdered sugar over your crepe. If Nutella isn't your cup of tea, or if you're looking to try something new, there are plenty of delicious alternatives. Chocolate jam, for instance, can easily be found on supermarket shelves and can be a great substitute. Just ensure you choose a high-quality, flavorful variant that's similar to Nutella. Chocolate paste, often used in baking desserts and cakes, is another great option. It might have a deeper chocolate flavor than Nutella, so you might need to adjust the quantity based on your personal taste. For those seeking a plant-based alternative, hazelnut butter, such as pistachio or almond butter, is a fantastic choice. Available in chocolate flavors, these butters are both a healthy and tasty swap. The choice of alternative really depends on your personal preferences and the ingredients you have at hand. Experiment with the alternative you choose and make sure it complements the other ingredients and delivers the desired flavor in the recipe. Now, you are ready to enjoy your homemade Nutella and fruit crepes. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button for all new updates in the world of cooking. Happy cooking!